Okay, so it's the same night, and now I'm at Portland and King Street West, and it's become rain again. So it was snow earlier, and now it's rain again. And it's like, so this is kind of rain that's been happening all bloody day. You feel like me in the Caribbean, I was tropical storm. Weird. Puddles galore. So it went from, this was what it was like all day, all rain. People are in the clubs because they're young. And I used to be when I was young, but not anymore. You know, nothing stopped you, eh? Now, what? There's rain? I mean, just like, oh, I got must get gone. I'm reverted back to my Caribbean ways, which is when rain or fall, I'm not going away, no matter what age. But here in North America, when I was a young'un and a party boy in my 20s, nothing now stop me from going away. But now, listen, if I'm in my house past 9 o'clock, me no left me out gone away. And then weather bad, big snow or big rain, nah, sir. Especially when it gets cold in winter. So anyway, I'm just showing you that. So this is Wednesday, April the 3rd, 2024. And again, it's a little after 10 probably now. So I was at Bathurst in college when it was snowing. And now, just walking from Portland, well, where was I? No, it was Euclid in college. And then I walked over to Portland and college. Sorry, I walked over from Euclid in college to Bathurst in college. Is Oretta, which I've yet to go eat at. And it was snowing. Now I'm leaving from Portland and King Street West, and it's raining again, like it was all day. So I just want to give you a contrast. And yeah, I got off the streetcar at here, Bathurst and King, walked over, you know the rain. And now, here I'm back, heading to my yard. And it is raining and wet. So I'm at King and Bathurst. Okay, I can't see it here. You know the rain. Yeah, I went to get some big smoke burger. You know, they make the burgers like the way they used to be. I should try the burgers here at the pub, because pub food, you know, is usually fire. Like really good. So I should try the one there. But anyway, the big smoke burgers are good. McDonald's I do in a pinch, because you know I do like a Big Mac every now and again. And you know their fries are the ultimate fries. But yeah. Whew. Back up in my tower. And I swear when you're up there and you look down, you can tell where really are gone. Except this is some umbrellas. But it's not until you come down and you hear it and see it. Because when you open the window up there, you don't really get the same full effect. Like literally this has been going on all day since morning. With a look at that snow that you saw earlier. Alright. So there it is. Alright.